This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Taillight bulbs replacement. Open the trunk. Separate the trunk lining from the rear taillight assembly. Disconnect the taillight housing electrical connector. Unscrew and remove the nuts securing the taillight housing assembly to the quarter panel. Carefully pull the taillight housing out from the recess in the body to access the bulbs. Twist the desired bulb holder counterclockwise and pull it from the housing. Remove the bulb from the bulb holder by pulling it straight out. Install the bulb securely into the bulb holder. Insert the bulb holder into the housing by aligning the lugs, then twist the holder clockwise until it is secure. Install the taillight housing onto the body. Install the taillight housing retaining nuts. Tighten the nuts securely by hand. Reposition the carpeting and secure it with any retaining clips.